Odonga has issued 3 different variants of submissions regarding the Kiza Besigye's case, which is already in the military court. And I think this is what forced the State House to trigger a poll. Now, Honorable Dr. Odonga, the debate on Kiza Besigye issue is getting further lost. The issue, in my opinion, is whether someone abducted can be lawfully prosecuted before any court in Uganda. Secondly, the interview by Winnie Byanyima that her husband was set up needs further moral interrogation. So that's what Odonga said. The first one, he is calling for interrogating the morale or what is behind Winnie Byanyima's claim that the husband was set up. You see? Then the second statement also from Odonga is the moment they find you with illegal guns or firearms, you are no longer a civilian. That was the intention of the legislator when passing the Modva UPDF Act or the Ministry of Defense Act. As Parliament Uganda then, we were shallow and naive. We acted in good faith and did not envisage a person being set up. So, Odonga is regretting the law which they passed, the act which they passed, the UPDF Act, which he quotes it that the moment they find you with a gun or firearms, you are no longer a civilian. That was the spirit when we were passing the UPDF Act, that is Odonga, from Mr. Quartz. So, Odonga is regretting why they passed the law of the firearms issue. That indicates that you are no longer a civilian. So when you are caught with any firearm or a gun, you are not a civilian. Like me, who is a civilian, in any case, if I'm to be caught, maybe if someone sets me or anything, God forbid it 100%, I mean the African God, you will have qualified to be a military person. So if you are not in the government, then presumably the law is saying that you are a rebel. So you see the situation that Kiza Besigye is in. And then the last statement also from Odonga, he said, I was in the Parliamentary Committee of Defense and Internal Affairs, that is Ministry of Defense, UPDF, for 11 years. My reading of the UPDF Act is that a civilian can be tried in a court-martial. Our drafting then did not envisage such a situation like Kiza Besigye. If you get set, you are done. Yes, like I said, if you get set, you're done. It's a very, very, very painful situation. It's a really difficult situation. And then just today, State House via the official media outlet set a poll on X asking you a question related to what the Odonga has been saying. They say, should we have a referendum on the issue of court martials? Well, many people voted. By the time I showed this, there were 3,818 votes. 26.9 thousand people had seen this post and 177 people liked it. 71 reposted and then 218 commented. Out of the 3,818 votes, 81% have said yes, and then 19% have said no. Meaning majority Ugandans want a referendum on the issue of court martials. Come on. So this is the development. We are going to keep you posted on the side that the mainstream neglects. Thank you so much. And if you're subscribed, we keep rolling on.